Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm going to show you how to operate the child locking system on the rear doors of a Jeep Renegade. So relatively easy to do. We're just going to need our standard key, and with the car unlocked we're going to actually open up the rear door fully, and we're just going to go ahead and give the interior handle a bit of a pull, and you'll feel there's a bit of resistance there and you can actually hear the lock working. So taking a closer look at the lock, you'll notice just below it there's two imprints. We've got a padlock locked, a padlock open with a little stick baby next to it, and there's also this slot here. So the slot is actually in line with the unlock now, so that's telling us that the child lock is unlocked. But if you take the back part out of your key by pushing that switch to the side, we're just going to put our key in there and turn it up so the slot is in line with the padlock locked. Now if you go ahead and give a bit of a pull on the interior handle again, there's actually no tension there. The handle is now disengaged, but the external door handle still works. To return it to normal, we're just going to put our key in there again, give it a bit of a turn just so the padlock unlocked. And that's how easy it is to operate the child locking system on a Jeep Renegade. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.